What is up, y'all? It is Flacco back, and we're here with another unboxing, and I have something special. And this is probably everything you need to know before you purchase these reverse Grinches. These Kobe Grinch reverse sixes. I don't know. This is just Nike's most hyped shoe of the year, and it's a hot commodity. Let's find out why. I got them early. Shout out to my man Clarence. He hooked me up, let me unbox them. Looking at the box, you're going to have, of course, this Kobe logo on the top of the box. It's going to be a matte snakeskin, like little bump print on the box, and it's going to be throughout the entire box. Side of the box is going to have your sizing, which this is not my size because Clarence hooked me up. Like I said, on the top of the box, you are going to have the Kobe logo and his signature on there. And honestly, the only time we seen the Grinches was in 2010, and they did a re-release after Kobe had passed. Now Nike hit us with a brand new colorway, and we have the reverse Grinches. With the pictures that I've seen, they look fire, but I haven't opened up this box yet to see exactly what they look like. So we're gonna do that now. Of course, inside you're going to have the paper, plastic, whatever. First impression of these shoes, they're fire. This is a nice colorway, and this is a perfect color for Christmas. This is the reverse Grinches, of course. So why not give us the reverse Grinches right before Christmas? A lot of y'all is probably gonna have this shoe on Christmas Day. We've seen this colorway in the Grinches, and this is just a complete reverse of the Grinches. Taking a look at the shoe, you look at the upper, it's going to have that snakeskin print on there, and it's gonna be surrounding the entire shoe. The difference between this one and the Grinches were the snakeskin on the Grinches were a little bit more vibrant. This one's a little bit less dull. This one's a little more dull. And then you take a look at the Nike check. It's gonna be a black check on the inside and the outside of the shoe, which will have like, it looks like it has like this gray glitter speckle paint on there. And that's also a pretty good look for the shoe. You take a look at the rear of it, it's going to have a patent leather on the back, and it's like a candied apple look on the rear of the shoe with Kobe's signature. Some fun facts about this shoe is that, what does he say? Venomium. I don't know what the fuck this says on the top of the shoe. Venomon. Phenomenon! I got it. It's supposed to say phenomenon, but it's phenomenon. On the top toe of the shoe, it's gonna say phenomenon, which is phenomenon if I'm correct, but I didn't know that. It's a print in Braille that you have to see. This says Black Mamba. So a lot of people didn't know that this is on the side of the shoe. This is a cool little fun fact about this shoe. Its bottom sole is going to have that red bottom. It's like a candy apple red, and then you have that bright neon green, that Grinch green. We're gonna call it Grinch green with Kobe's logo at the bottom. It's going to have this mesh tongue, but on the inside of the tongue, this is something that a lot of people aren't talking about. It has this nice foam that's built into the actual tongue of the shoe, which makes this a lot more comfortable for wearing. This is a basketball shoe, but the thing is, a lot of people aren't gonna wear this for basketball. They're going to wear this for their everyday look. And I'm okay with that, because I would do the same thing. Looking at the laces, this is going to be that Grinch green on the laces, and coming up the tongue, you will see Kobe's logo up here. This shoe is dropping December 15th with retail of $190. Right now for resale, this shoe is looking at a good $650. I understand the hype around this shoe. Is this shoe better than the Grinch? And this definitely feels like Christmas. I would say this is a good release for December. The good news about this shoe is that they've done multiple releases. They did a shop drop, and then they did exclusive access yesterday. So if you haven't caught up with it, they release next week, Friday. So if anything, I would say just join all the raffles that you possibly can. But I think this is a pretty good shoe. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it an 8. Just because it's a lot of hype around it, and I believe that this is Nike's most hyped shoe of the year. And we cannot forget about the juicy details on the inside of the tongue. On the sole, it's gonna say, I want a shoe that molds to my feet, and it will have the KB for Kobe Bryant, and then the 24 for his number. This is good branding in my opinion. This is great branding, because little details like this is things that I love. And then if you look at the actual shoe coming down to the toe, you'll realize that the red turns into like a dark crimson, and it's a straight line on the toe. But on the actual Grinches, is actually going to be flipped, reversed, pretty much. It's going to have a brighter outline coming down the toe, and then it's going to be darker on the outside of the shoe. Do I think that these are better than the Grinch 6s? Of course not. But this is definitely something to have in your collection. Overall, this is pretty much a great shoe. I'm happy that Nike gave it to us. They chose the right time to give us the reverse Kobe 6s. This is one thing that I think a lot of people would be happy with. So if it's not on your Christmas list, add it. Let me know. Have you picked up the Kobe reverses yet? And if so, what's your opinion? Do you think that these are better than the Kobe Grinch 6s? Alright, I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I will catch you guys in the next video. We out.